Good afternoon, guys. Today in this video I'm going to talk about Liverpool versus Bournemouth. The match has just finished a little while ago, and the result was 9-0. Uh, as you see in my prediction video last week, predicted it gonna be four goals, but Liverpool went further ahead, and we see 9 goals being scored. After beating Manchester United, Bournemouth was um having a morale booster victory, but this time it was Liverpool who lost against Manchester United, but come back like a champion. Come back like a real champion with a big bang and ring the alarm bell for a lot of other teams that you cannot write off or consider this team is not go on and maybe win the Premier League. So it was all a one-sided game, and where more than 70% possession was with Liverpool, and also if I can see that this is their third time they have won the match by 9-goal lead. The last time it was 1989, 31 years ago, against Crystal Palace, 9-love, and also 1896 when they beat Rotherham Town 10-1. And this is also the first time Liverpool has scored 5 goals in the first half, something they have not achieved before. And for Bournemouth, I can say this is their second time they had a 9-goal loss, and the first time it was 1982 against Lincoln City. So some records for you. But as I predicted, it was a game where Liverpool can gain confidence after not having a very good result against Manchester United. So we can see that they come back. Although there was a playoff or something which we have to note it, but the way they have played, it was wonderful. 678 passes they have as compared to 85 by Bournemouth, and pass accuracy was 86%, which is phenomenal. So all I can say is we have a very positive result, and as I predicted, in favor of Liverpool and with the big margin. Although I did not predict 9, I predict 4 or 5, and now we have 9 goals, and this will be a very good morale boosting victory for Liverpool, and Liverpool will be the team. We can see that they will produce some better result in the coming days to come. And by having said that, I would like to say thank you whoever watched my video, and I will come back with another prediction video of the next week very soon. Thank you and bye bye.